Keish from KeishLife.com. I am here to show you how I changed my plain old jeans from this to this. It's a pretty simple project, doesn't take too long, only 4 material items that you need. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and keep on watching. So first up for materials, we need jeans, then glue, then tweezers, and then first up, pearls. Make sure that they're flat end pearls in order to glue them effectively on the jeans. So now I'm just showing you ways that you can do it. You can do it one by one. You can do it in any type of pattern, any type of shape, or anything like that. This takes a little bit of time, but you're free to do it. What I did was actually just spread them out and then just made the pattern as random as possible. Just put them where I see fit. And that was pretty easy. It only took me less than 2 or 3 minutes to do that. Once you have it where you want it to be, you go ahead and put the glue on the back end of it, and then you just press down to where you decided to put it at, and that is it. Also, I use the tweezers for the very small pearls that I can't pick up by hand, and that seemed to help because some of these pearls are very tiny, just like that pearl right there, and I wouldn't have been able to pick it up with my fingers, so the tweezers definitely help with that one. But for the bigger ones, as you can see, I just picked those up, put the glue on there, and then placed it down. Decided to do something really cute and fun for the bottom pant leg. At first I wasn't going to do anything, but I decided to do something, and so I actually did a shape, a heart. So just like before, they're big enough so I could just pick them up and then just place them down without any issues. I will say, if some of the glue spills around the pearl, just get a wipe and just wipe it off, and there you have it. This is the finished product. I am in love with it. Guys, tell me what you think. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.